In this video, we will cover how current and former students can request their official transcript and how current students can locate and print their unofficial transcript. First, we will cover how you can request your official transcript. An official transcript is a certified document of your academic record at Florida SouthWestern State College, formerly Edison Junior College, Edison Community College, Edison College, or Edison State College. The process for requesting official transcripts is available for current and former FSW students. First, navigate to the www.fsw.edu/registrar/transcript website. Then, click the Parchment Order Form button. On this page, start by entering your email address to create an account with Parchment, or you can log into your Parchment account by entering the email address associated with your account. Once you are logged in, you can begin your order by clicking the Order button. Next, select the delivery destination for your transcript order. There are two options for selecting the delivery destination: searching for an institution, or sending the transcript to yourself or another individual. When searching for an institution, option 1, you can A. Search for any post-secondary institution by searching under Where would you like to send the credential, or B. If you are unable to find a school, you may select Enter Your Own, and enter the school's recipient information. Please note that any transcript exchange between Florida public schools, state colleges, and state universities will be accomplished via FASTER, Florida Automated System for Transferring Educational Records. FASTER orders cannot be tracked. Alternatively, you can, option 2, select the option to send the transcript to yourself or another individual. If you select option 2, you can select to have your transcript sent electronically, printed, mailed, or picked up in person as a delivery method for your order. Then, you must insert the recipient information. After entering the information, click the Continue button. Please note that local pickup is only available at the Lee campus. To collect a copy of your transcript, the named pickup recipient must show a valid government-issued identification, such as driver's license, passport, etc. Once you have selected and completed the destination for your transcript order, you will need to confirm other order information. Possible delivery charges will be displayed. You can select to have the transcript sent now, or hold the transcript to be sent once final grades have been posted or degree has been awarded. If you need a document attached to your transcript, please select Add Attachment. If you selected Add Attachment, you will be prompted to upload an attachment on this page. Next, you will need to sign and type your name. Select the box next to I consent to the disclosure of the credentials, etc., and then click Continue. Then, confirm your order summary. If you would like to place more than one order, you may select Add another item for. Enter your billing address details, and then select Continue. Then, secure and submit your payment information and complete your order. You may also request your official transcript through your My FSW account under your student profile page. You will have to follow the same steps listed earlier in this video. Please note that active duty, veterans, and qualifying family members may request a transcript free of charge. Details can be found by visiting www.fsw.edu/registrar/transcript. Now, we will show you how to locate and print your unofficial transcripts. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to fsw.edu and click the My FSW link at the top of the page. After logging in, you will want to click on the Student Profile link, located within the Registration and Student Profile card. Then, click on the Student Records menu link on the left-hand side. On the Student Records page, click on the Unofficial Transcript link. In the page that loads, we will find the following drop-down menus: transcript level and transcript type. Here, select the appropriate options for your needs from the transcript level and transcript type drop-down menus. Once you have the desired selections, click the Submit button. Once you click Submit, you will see a generated report. There will be links generated at the top of the report that will allow you to quickly jump down to specific areas of the unofficial transcript. With the report showing, you can print directly from the web browser if you need a paper copy. To print from the browser on Windows, you can press the Ctrl+P buttons on your keyboard. To print from the browser on Mac, you can press the Command+P buttons on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the browser, and then click Print. Thank you for watching.